Hey, Weston with Tutorials USA again. A little different video today, driving. Want to let you guys know about the Driver Assist Pro package that we offer on BMWs that does self-driving. It does the adaptive cruise where it'll read the car in front of you. It also does the lane keep assist, so I'm just barely touching the wheel. It's doing pretty much most of the driving for me. Great for trips. We're on the 485 loop right now, and it's done most of the driving for me. I have little input. I've not hit the brake once since I've been on 45. So great feature. Makes trips very much efficient and easier. Let's turn it on. You just hit the button right here in the middle with the steering wheel in the car, and you'll click it. Make sure it's on assisted driving. You pick your selected speed. And then you also can pick your preset distance. I usually do the one that's the closest, so you don't have a huge gap. Yeah, set and reset cancel is the same as any other cruise control.
Hendrick